Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use gradients in Inkscape. Okay, so first we need to do is create a new object. So for example, I will create here a rectangle. So I go to rectangle tool and I create a new rectangle. After that, we need to go to object and select here fill and stroke. And now you need to go to fill, and here you have something like a linear gradient. You need to select this option. It is the first gradient effect. You can control this effect by moving this line to the right or to the left, because it is linear, yeah, so you can control it. It depends on the effect that you want to get. Of course, you can change the color here. You can select one from the colors. For example, I will select here blue, and here I will select green. And like you see, you can get very good effects using this one option. Okay, the second option is the radial gradient. Of course, it is based on circles, and we can easily control the effect by changing the radius of these circles. Of course, you can change color here too, yeah. So for example, I will change it to red, and I will change here to black. Of course, you can rotate it if you need it, and it is really useful sometimes, yeah, if you want to get specific results. The last one, a really helpful option, is mesh gradient. To use this option, I recommend you to go to mesh tool, and a good idea will be to type in rows 2 and in columns 2. Then I select these two options, so I click create mesh gradient and create gradient in the fill, and I will select this option mesh gradient. And the effect here is really good. Of course, you can change the path to get effect that you want to get. Everything depends on your preferences, but it is really useful function that lets you to create very specific and custom gradients, and the effects are always very good, so I recommend you to use mesh gradient tool. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to create gradients in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.